Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm CS Jaspreet. So as we knew that today CSET was held through remote proctored mode, but there were few students who were unable to appear in it due to various reasons. So ICSI has extended this opportunity as a special case to the candidates without creating any precedents to the candidates who were absent today or who could not appear in the test due to technical reasons. Again, the test will be conducted tomorrow, that is 10th January 2021 for the absentees as well as the students who could not appear in the test due to any technical reasons. So it's an added opportunity by ICSI. You should sit if you were unable to attend your test today due to technical reasons or you were absent today. So tomorrow you can give the exam again on 10th January 2021. The batch timings, user ID and password for the repeat CSET to be conducted on 10th January 2021 that shall be communicated by email, SMS to the candidates separately. So I hope you found it informative, and for all the CS, CA and CMA related updates, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving it.